In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mobile view on a Wix website. If you've noticed that elements on your website don't look quite right on mobile devices, don't worry. I'm here to help you make them look as polished as possible. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Wix and log into your account. From your dashboard, you'll want to click on Edit Site. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of your screen. From this toolbar, look for the mobile icon, which allows you to switch to the mobile view of your site. This is an essential step because this view gives you a glimpse of what your visitors will see when they access your site from their phones. Now, when you're in mobile view, carefully check for any hidden or misaligned elements. Often, elements that look fine on a desktop might not appear correctly on a mobile device. To make any invisible elements visible, simply click on the eye icon and select Show on Mobile. Doing so will ensure that nothing is inadvertently hidden from your mobile visitors. Next, it is crucial to adjust margins, spacing, and text sizes. You want the mobile experience to be just as fluid and intuitive as the desktop version. Often, the text might be too large or not fit correctly, looking cramped or awkward. Adjusting these parameters will help maintain a clean and professional look. Additionally, pay close attention to your images. They might need resizing and repositioning to fit the mobile screen better. You want them to be impressive without overwhelming the overall layout. Ensuring that images align well with text and other page elements can make a significant difference in aesthetics and user experience. Once you've made all these adjustments, you can click on Preview to see how your site looks in action. This is a great practice, as it gives you a chance to view the final look and feel without yet committing any changes publicly. Take some time to carefully review each section of your site in this preview mode to ensure everything appears just as you'd like it. Lastly, when you're satisfied with all the tweaks and changes, don't forget to hit Save. This step confirms that all your hard work won't be lost and will be ready for everyone to see. And there you have it. These simple steps will help you perfect your website's mobile view, ensuring that it's both visually appealing and fully functional. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you create the best possible experience for your mobile users.